Hello guys, first time ko pumunta ng Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand. At eto, nakalagpas na ako sa immigration and security. Ang sinakyan namin, Air Asia. Eto na nga guys, sa Thailand International Airport. Nag-taxi na kami going to hotel na aming tutuluyan. It's about mga 1 hour from airport to hotel. May mga bus naman, kaya lang may oras siya, maraming nag-aabang na pasahero. So nag-taxi na lang kami para mas madali and convenient. Finally, nakarating na sa destination. Ito yung Cetadines Hotel. Kitchen, receiving area, saktong-sakto lang sa 2 tao. Dining area, 1 bedroom. Ito yung lababo para sa paghihilamos. Kararating lang namin, naglaba kami. Dito na kami naglaba sa bathtub. Mas madali. Binabad lang sa medyo warm water. Ito na, naisampay na. O diba, para-paraan lang. Wala. At eto na nga, pumunta kami sa isang mall na kung saan andito yung food court. Maraming pagpipilian ng mga pagkain.
Tomatoes, fish sauce, these are a lot of fish sauce. That people crap at it.
Dito sa food court, bibili ka muna ng card. Yun ang ipambabayad sa o-orderin. Pwedeng 100, 200, kami 500 ang binili. At ito nga yung card, 500 ang laman nito. Tatapat mo lang yung QR code para mabayaran yung order. At ito yung Thai papaya salad, maanghang. Dito naman umorder ako ng Thai papaya with sticky rice. Masarap. So, yung 500 na Thai baht na laman ng card ko, marami na akong nabibili noon. Mura lang ang mga bilihin dito. 35 Thai baht, 49, 60. Kagaya nitong in-order ko pa, 49 Thai baht. O, diba, kumpleto na. May gulay. Pagkatapos kumain, syempre, pasyal-pasyal muna dito sa shopping mall. Bangkok, Thailand. Parang nasa Manila lang din. Konti lang yung pagkakaiba. May mga nagtitinda ring pagkain sa sidewalk. Marami at ang sasarap. Parang nasa restaurant yung lasa. Swak na swak. Lalo na itong siomai, ang sarap talaga ng lasa. At dahil maagang maaga, dito talaga ang punta namin sa park, malapit sa hotel na tinutuluyan. So iilan pa lang ang mga tao na dumarating para maglakad-lakad, mag-exercise. Napakalawak nito. Ito naman yung palace na kung saan naroroon ang Buddha. Kung gustong makita ito, aakyat ka dito. Ang taas-taas. 200 Thai baht ang bayad para makita yung gold na Buddha. So hindi na namin ginawa yun kasi at saka sobrang taas ng sikat ng araw, napakainit. So hindi na namin kailangang umakyat. Nag-video na lang, naupo at tumingin sa mga ibang turista. Ito naman isa sa mga temple dito sa Bangkok. May bayad ang entrance, 45 Thai baht. So nakiosyoso kami kung ano nga bang meron sa loob. Hindi maraming tao, mukhang merong gagawin na event. So naghahanda sila. Picture lang para merong souvenir.
เป็นเจ้าภาพลูกชิ้นบาร์บีคิวนะครับแล้วก็คุณโยมสุภัสราปิ่นสุวรรณแล้วก็เป็นเพื่อนร้านอาจารย์สุปราณี
สยามสำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ Icon Siam Icon Siam For passengers alighting here please stand by at the exit โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier
You're still very young. You have a lot of fish. You should bring my sarong. I forgot to tell you. There you the day they'll put the thing on. You go in.
วัดอรุณสำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือวัดอรุณวัดอรุณ For passengers alighting here please stand by at the exit โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier
Thank you for watching.